I'm unboxing this 100 feet LED strip light, and I bought it for the little guy's room because he is a gamer. So let's see what's going on here. Okay, so I got this from Temu. I think it was like $10 or something, I don't remember. I would have to look back on the thing, and it says 30 meters, 100 feet, and it should be 2 rolls in there, 2 rolls of 50. And I have no idea how to do this, but we'll figure it out. I will post the setup on the homesteading channel. So let's just open it and see what goes. This one is a colored one. I will be purchasing a plain white one for the... I really need to start using my tripod because this is... Okay, so we got some... I think this is two-sided tape, double-sided tape. We got the manual. This is the power outlet, the power source. And these are some... I have no idea what this is. I think this is the connector to connect them. Yeah, that's the connector. And this is what they look like. So we got 2 rolls of 50. They're very thin. And this is the remote. So these are the colors that we have. I'm going to plug it in and see what's going on with it, because we are both excited to see what it looks like. Okay guys, so this is it. I just connect them to here and then plug in the power, the AC adapter. We're gonna test out the features. So off. I don't think this remote has batteries in there. Oh, pull this out for me. That little strip right there, pull it out. Yeah. So off. So I just plugged it in and they came on. So I guess that, yeah. So it's off. It does come with batteries. There was a little strip right in there that I had to pull out. And let's go on. And volume. There's a volume button, so I have no idea. I'm gonna have to read the menu. Green, that's red. These are the hues for the red. Yellow, orange. The yellow is pretty. Orange, dark orange, red, green. That's light green, blue. That's the pink. White, that's a white. So I can actually get another one of these for the staircase and use it for, I use the white. And you can adjust the brightness. Flash, you can make them flash. Auto, so they can change colors. Slow, quick, jump, fade. They can fade, and they have timers on them, so you can set them for an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. I think these, I don't know what that's for. Or timers, yeah, those are timers. So it has it pretty much has some unique features, and I think you can, it has a volume button, and it does use the app. It uses the app, I think, So you can, yes, it does use the app. So you can connect it to your music, I think. I think so. It says static mode, adjust brightness, dynamic adjust mic. Yeah, so it has a mic on it. I think that you can, it moves based on your speaker, the sound that's playing. I would have to read the menu, get some more features, but this little guy already gave it a thumbs up, so I guess it's pretty exciting for him. Anyway guys, thanks for watching, thanks for following the journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I'm thinking that this little two-sided tape is to stick on the back of this so it can be on the wall. I think that's what that's for. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Follow the journey, help the channel grow. Bye for now.